Hi, everyone. So I wanted to go through with you how to get to the MLA citation guide that we use here at Harper, which is the Purdue OWL. So if you saw the last video already, I recommend viewing that first. It's a video on basic search tips, and you'll notice that it goes over how to get the automatic citation that is available in most of the Harper Library databases. So that's really important. It will help you save so much time. So I recommend viewing that video first to learn how to get those citations. But if you have something else, say a book or a speech or a video that you need help citing, here's what you need to do. You would go to research, wave your mouse over the research tab and click on plagiarism. So this will give you a little bit of information about plagiarism if you are interested in reading about that. There's also some common questions that we get. So if you have any questions on deciding if something is common knowledge and if you need to even cite it, I would click on these. And if you do know that you have to make a citation, click on this resource here. It says it's the Purdue OWL website. So the Purdue OWL is run by Purdue University, and it's just really clean, really well put together. So that's why we use it. And then you can scroll down to where it says MLA guide for this class. So it'll give you a little introduction to the MLA style, which you don't have to read. The most important part over here is the link that says under MLA style, MLA formatting and style guide. You can click on this little arrow, and it will give you a whole bunch of links. So don't be intimidated by this. It's just broken down by different formats. So you can start with, something like books, or periodicals would be newspapers and magazines that you would find printed. So if you're looking for an electronic version of an article or a database or journal article, you would go to electronic sources. So you can click on one of these. I'm just going to do electronic sources to show you what it looks like. So you can read some of these introduction pieces if you are interested. Or you can keep on scrolling, and it does give you like basic style for citations of electronic sources. It gives you what exactly would you need to build the citation here. And then the example would be here. So this is the format that you would need to follow. So for example, you need to start with the author and then period, and then title in quotes and then period. So continuing on, if you're citing an entire website, it has like a example here. So this is really useful. It gives you so many different options. And if you still have questions after reading this, let us know, but it even gives you, how to cite an email or a blog or a tweet. So this is really useful. I'm going to click out of this ad here. The other thing that I wanted to show you that is actually, it's helpful to me too when I was doing work in grad school, I would click on this link, which has Mla Sample Paper. So it actually just shows you what it looks like in a sample paper. So this is good if you have any questions about style and format. This is the MLA style again. So you can look through kind of the green and blue boxes. They have style guides for you. So like the name of your professor is at the top, and the course, and then the number, the date, and how it should be written and how it should look. And then it's really nice too if you have like questions about where your thesis should go. It points that out really clearly, and just kind of tips along the way. Like this one, MLA requires double spacing throughout. The headings, if you use those, some of them you might not use, so you can ignore that if you're not doing headings in this class. But something like a in-text citation, it'll give you the exact format of what it should look like. And then down below, at the very last page, it should give you the works cited page, which I'm still looking for. Okay, so here it is. So it says works cited. This is what it looks like. It's alphabetical. It has an indentation over here on the left. So this is really useful if you're looking for something to like visually see what your works cited page will look like. As always, if you have any questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and ask. We're here to help you with citations as well. Thank you.